Elephants are remarkable creatures, not just for their size but for their deep emotional intelligence. When an elephant loses a family member, it's not just a fleeting moment of sadness. They return to the spot where their loved one passed, often standing in silence for hours. This behavior isn't just about mourning, it's a profound display of their social bonds. They touch the bones with their trunks, almost as if they're remembering every shared moment. It's a testament to their empathy and connection. These gentle giants remind us that grief is universal, transcending species, and that love endures even in loss.